Uyghurs are Turkic-speaking Muslim minority in China living in Xinjiang. These people are systematically oppressed by their own government. Xinjiang is home to some 11 million Uyghurs, but because of immigration from the rest of the countries, today nearly half of Xinjiang's population have China's dominant ethnic group. The Communist Party seems determined to crush Uyghur identity and is going about it in a systematic way. After 9/11 attack on America, the Chinese government took an opportunistic position claiming they are also a victim of global terrorism. In addition to that, there was outrages of terrorism, so there was a sense that Xinjiang especially getting out of control and needed to be brought back. In 2014, a group of Uyghur terrorists went on a stabbing rampage in Kunming railway station, killing 31 people. After this, Chinese government stepped up their security. Between 2012 and 2017, China's domestic security budget doubled. In Xinjiang, it tripled. Imagine you are spied for 24/7. They are monitored by one of the most advanced and intrusive surveillance system in the world. Face recognition camera to monitor Uyghurs on the street and spy apps for track them online. Their every online activities are being tracked. Their religion is restricted. Many traditional Muslim names are even banned for newborns. There were some of suspected detention camps where estimated 1 million Uyghurs were held. They are separated from their family. According to the survivors' information, inside these camps, Uyghurs are brainwashed and forcing them to denounce their religion and allowed them to convert to other Chinese. Hijab, jilbab and other long dresses are banned and some other halal products also. There have also been reported for forced medication and forced sterilization. A statistics says that Uyghurs' population has been fallen 84% between 2015 and 2018. This 100-year-old mosque is one of many that has been closed. The Uyghur language has been banned in schools in parts of Xinjiang. Uyghur heritage is being wiped out. For some political reasons, these are happening for ages. Due to some terrorists from their religion, the whole religion is being suppressed. More than a religion, they are common people who are getting affected. The basic quality of human died there. This is against humanity. Their future is uncertain.